Hi everyone and welcome back to NSE IFSC Receipts Knowledge Series Video 2. I'm Vidya Pillai, Manager at Anand Rathi International Ventures in GIFT City. I hope you've watched my previous video. In the previous video, we had seen what NSE IFSC Receipts are, its benefits, and why they make a smart investment opportunity. In this video, we'll be seeing how to open an account, both trading and Demat account with Anand Rathi International Ventures using DigiNext if you are a new client and with consent-based journey if you are an existing client. We offer completely digital and hassle-free onboarding experience via our proprietary KYC platform called DigiNext. Please note, only resident Indian retail investors can do the onboarding using DigiNext. Before we begin, make sure you have the following documents ready: PAN card, masked Aadhaar card, a recent bank statement or cancelled check, signature proof, which should be a scanned image of your signature on a blank paper, nominee's PAN card, passport, W8BEN form. This will be pre-filled during the process. You simply need to sign and upload it. If you are an existing active client of Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers and your account is opened after 1st January 2022, then you have great news. You don't have to go through the full process again. You can now open your account through the consent-based journey by just giving your digital consent. However, if there are any changes in the existing account details, we recommend starting a new application via DigiNext. We'll now walk you through both the DigiNext process for new clients and the consent-based journey for the existing clients. First step is to go to the DigiNext link as shown on the screen, which will bring you to this page. Next, click on the Sign Up option. This is how you initiate the account opening process. First, enter your email ID and your mobile number. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Open an account. You will receive two OTPs, one on your email ID and another on your mobile number. Enter the OTPs and click on Verify. Next step is to enter your PAN card number. Click on Verify your PAN details. Now, you will see two options on the screen, amongst which you can select either. The first is DigiLocker Aadhaar and the second is CVL KRA. Here we are selecting DigiLocker Aadhaar. Now you will see this screen. Click on Connect to DigiLocker environment. This will take you to the DigiLocker website. Enter your mobile number and security PIN. Then click on Sign in. You will receive an OTP on your Aadhaar linked mobile number. After entering the OTP, you will see your DigiLocker details displayed on the screen. Verify your details and click on Submit. On the next screen, fill your personal details in all the mandatory fields. Fill in your savings bank details, which you will be using for the transfer of funds under RBI's LRS scheme. Click on the Save option. Rupee 1 will be credited to your bank account to verify the bank details you have provided. Next, you will have to select your trading experience. Under the Demat scheme option, select this. A window will appear with the details of all our account opening charges. Please click on Agree and Submit. You will now be given an option to nominate a nominee. If you want to appoint a nominee, click on Yes. Select the brokerage scheme as AR Gold. After viewing the brokerage plan, click on Submit Scheme. In the next step, you will have to enter your nominee details. Click on the first nominee button and enter the details. Once you accept the declaration, click on Submit. Now, the final step is to upload all the documents. Under Bank Proof, upload your latest bank statement or cancelled check. After uploading your signature image, you will have to download the W8BEN template. This is a pre-filled form. You will have to print the document, sign it, and then upload this PDF under the W8BEN field. Now that all the documents are uploaded, the system will ask for a live photo. Make sure you have given permission to access your location and camera. Click a clear image with a plain background. After saving the image, click on Preview and Submit. Once you review your details, click on Submit. The application is now submitted. You will see a thank you pop-up. Once your account is approved at the backend, you will receive an e-sign link on your registered email ID. Click on the link to initiate the e-sign process. A new window will pop up on the screen. There will be two steps. The first is KRA sign and the second is CRF sign. Click on KRA sign first. You will see pre-filled application form. Click on Sign Now and enter your Aadhaar number. You will receive a 6-digit OTP on your Aadhaar-linked mobile number. After entering the OTP, click on Verify. The window will then close automatically. Repeat the same steps for CRF sign. That's it. The account opening process is now complete at your end. Next, let's see how to open an account through the consent-based journey. Click on Existing Customer of Anand Rathi Share and Stock Brokers Limited. Enter your PAN number and click on Continue. Click on the links to view product-related details. Confirm whether you have read the aforementioned documents and then click on Accept and Continue. Your registered mobile number will be pre-filled. Select the Self option and click on Continue. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on your mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Continue. Your registered email ID will be pre-filled. Select the Self option and click on Continue. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on your email ID. Enter the OTP and click on Continue. Your details will load on the screen. Click on Continue. A live image will be taken. Kindly give permission to the site to allow the use of camera and location. Take a clear photo and ensure a clear background. Upload the signature, which should be done on plain white paper and by clicking on the icon in the box. After uploading the signature, click on Save and Continue. View your brokerage plan and DP plan by clicking on the tabs. Select your trading experience and click on Continue. Kindly preview your details and click on Continue. After verifying the details, you need to e-sign W8BEN form and consent form. Click on Proceed to sign. Approve the terms and conditions and then click on Proceed. Click on Sign Now. Enter your complete Aadhaar number and you will receive a 6-digit OTP on your registered mobile number. After entering your OTP confirmation, the window will automatically close. Now proceed to e-sign your consent form. Approve the terms and conditions and then click on Proceed. Click on Sign Now. Enter your Aadhaar number and you will get a 6-digit OTP on your registered mobile number. After entering the OTP, the document will be signed successfully. The journey has been completed. That was it. Happy investing. If any of your details, for example address, bank information or nominee have to be changed, you will need to complete the onboarding process through DigiNext journey. What happens next? Your application will be reviewed by our back office. It usually takes 2 to 3 working days to activate your trading and demat account. Once the NSE IX exchange approves your client code, you'll receive a welcome email. After that, you can fund your account and start investing in NSE IFSC receipts. That's it. Whether you're a new customer or an existing client, you're just few steps away from investing in NSE IFSC receipts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.